Hi guys, it's Red. Today we are going to learn how to create functions, similar to the ones we've used up until now. Let's get started. Lesson 15 hyphen function.py. To create a function you have to use the def statement. So def my underscore function parenthesis column new line print parenthesis quotation mark hello world. And run. And as you can see, nothing is in the terminal, which is why we have to call the function. So let's call it my underscore function parenthesis and run. And there it is. Hello world. Now let's create another function. Def greet parenthesis name column new line print parenthesis quotation mark hello comma name. Let's call it greet parenthesis quotation mark red and run it. And as you can see, we pass a variable red to the function and it's then used inside the function. It's like we are assigning the string red to the variable name. We can also assign a default value to a parameter in a function, which will be used if we don't provide a value when we call the function. So name equals quotation mark world. Now let's call without the parameter greet parenthesis and run. And as you can see, we get hello world. Let's create another function. Def add parenthesis a comma b equals 3 column new line return a plus b. The return statement will return as a value, the sum between a and b. Let's assign this value to a variable number equals add parenthesis 2 new line print parenthesis number and run it. And as you can see, we get 5. Now let's discover another way to call many parameters using the asterisk. This is a concept you'll see more in an intermediate level, but you can see also in a basic level. Def add underscore args parenthesis asterisk args close the parenthesis column new line result equals 0 new line for n in args column new line result plus equal n new line return result. In this way we can pass as many numbers as we want, and in return we will receive the sum of all of them. Print parenthesis add underscore args parenthesis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and run it. And the sum of all of them is 21. Now let's recap. triple quotation mark, lesson 15 hyphen function. We learned how to create a function. We learned how to return something from a function. And we learned how to handle an unknown number of parameters. For this lesson it's enough. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.